Hey there, I'm Dean Brosnan from Lightcore. In this video, we're reviewing a high-end multi-res pool case study. The problem we had to solve for this project was that they'd only installed one feed when they really should have installed 4 feeds. Now, the options that they had was to either tell their client that they'd made a mistake and they could no longer install the pool lighting, rip up all the tiles and install the additional 3 feeds, which would have cost a lot of money and a lot of time, or engage a company like ours where we have the in-house machinery and expertise to create a solution. So that's what they did. We met with everyone on site, we reviewed the project, we went back to our warehouse and we manufactured a sample section. We installed this on site, tested it, got the tick of approval from the architect and the builder and the installers. And then we proceeded to manufacture the full solution. So this is a really nice example of how having the in-house manufacturing capability and expertise to do IP67 injection molding for LED neon can make a huge difference to the outcome of the project and the overall success of the project as well. So here's some behind the scenes footage showing you how we did it. So we're back on site, and what we've done is we've done an IP67 join between these 2 sections, and we're going to test that now to see how uniform our lighting effect is around this corner. You come and look underneath here, we've got that play. If the installation is slightly off, it's not going to affect the overall look either. And that's how we do a custom spa edge lighting install with just 1 feed.